Good morning and welcome back to Morning Markets from True Potential. As George mentioned yesterday, last week was more volatile for a majority of asset classes. It's important to remember that volatility should not be viewed in a negative way. It also creates mispricing of assets and hence opportunity. Looking at the performance of both equity and bond markets from yesterday, there's been a retracement of Friday's market moves with equities higher. Bond yields have risen from Friday's levels. The news narrative yesterday was one in which there was some positive news on Omicron, the new variant, that suggested that whilst being more transmissible, it wasn't leading to a higher hospitalisation rate at this point. This would be a clear positive, but as we discussed last week, this is conjecture until there is more definitive scientific evidence. It is not possible to make a call one way or the other at this stage. The period certainly shows how important narratives and sentiment can be near term for market performance and how easily it can flip-flop from positive to the negative. In sovereign bond markets, we have commented a number of times on the volatility and how this is causing yields to materially move and the shape of the yield curve to alter. Sovereign bond yields yesterday gave back the gains from Friday in the US, with the 10-year Treasury moving back out to 1.45% from 1.35% level on Friday, in contrast to the UK 10-year gilt bond held onto its gains from Friday, yielding 0.73%. In a speech yesterday by Bank of England Deputy Governor Ben Broadbent wasn't giving much away in terms of his thoughts on policy changes. His speech did, however, include an interesting section on employment situation in the UK, which we know is strong, and given the levels of unemployment and high vacancy rates, alluding to the fact that the risks to future inflation from the tight labour market may well be more significant. Such a scenario should suggest a more persistent inflationary trend or inflation setting at a higher plateau. In other Chinese data, points released to the trade situation continue to paint a robust picture of the global economy, with exports from China increasing 22% year on year in November. In a similar manner, imports remained robust, increasing 31% year on year. Both numbers are well ahead of expectations. With that as a backdrop, we have had a good performance from Asia equity markets overnight, which is feeding into a more positive backdrop, with both European and US futures pointing to a more positive environment at this point. That's all from me. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.